Patient Healthcare DNN Architecture, Dark Mode, Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. This is a prototype not for commercial use. The video is a deep neural network, DNN, architecture specifically designed for patient healthcare risk level prediction, presented in a dark mode theme. Here's a detailed AI/ML explanation of the structure and its power. Architecture overview. This DNN is a feed-forward fully connected neural network designed to predict a patient's health risk level based on various input features. Input layer, blue nodes, represents the features fed into the model. Glucose level, cholesterol, blood pressure, gender, age. These are important health indicators, often used in medical diagnostics. Brain hidden layers, pink, green, yellow, orange nodes. This DNN has 4 hidden layers, each learning increasingly abstract representations of the input. One hidden layer 1, pink, captures basic patterns and correlations in raw features. 2 hidden layer 2, green, learns interactions and compound patterns like how combinations of glucose, age, and gender relate to risk. 3 hidden layer 3, yellow, starts capturing nonlinear interactions, modeling complex dependencies in patient data. 4 hidden layer 4, orange, acts as the final feature combiner before prediction, enhancing precision in identifying risk levels. Each layer is fully connected, meaning every neuron in one layer connects to every neuron in the next. Output layer, magenta node. Risk level is the final prediction. Typically, this would be a classification, example low, medium, high risk, or a regression value indicating the risk score. Brain light bulb AI/ML power behind it. 1. Deep feature learning. Unlike shallow models, DNNs automatically extract features, removing the need for manual feature engineering. 2. Nonlinear capability. Can model complex relationships, example how high blood pressure plus high glucose in elderly males elevates risk disproportionately. 3. Scalability. Can be trained on large healthcare data sets, improving accuracy with more data. 4. Generalization. Learns from historical data and applies predictions to unseen patient profiles with high confidence. 5. Adaptability. The architecture can be fine-tuned for various medical applications, such as diabetes risk, heart disease prediction, or even mental health monitoring. Use in real-world AI/ML projects. Hospitals and clinics, patient screening, diagnosis support. Insurance, risk assessment for premium calculation. Wearables and health apps, real-time alerts and monitoring. Clinical research, understanding disease correlations and triggers. Credit in graph. Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, and AI/ML architect indicates the designer, showcasing the graph's origin and credibility in the AI domain. Thank you.